Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my Hobonichi weeks that I use for work. And this week I'll actually be decorating with stickers from a shop that I've never used before. This is from Pine Berry Paper, and they were actually one of the sticker shop sponsors of the Planners Gonna Plan conference back in September. And I'm just getting to use their stickers now. So they've got rainbows as well as these butterflies and, well, actually I think they're all moths. All right, let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is actually put down one of these alcohol ink stickers from According to Allie. And I think I'm gonna place one, maybe take this big one and cut that in half. And Lucy's just come in. And let's place one down here. Oops. And then the other one I'm going to place up here so that there's a balance of the stickers. Then I'm so excited to use these. These are so pretty. Then, oh, you know, before I do that, let's go in with my Esterbrook Asti. This currently has Pilot Iroshizuku Asagao in it, and just write in the days of the week. It gives me an excuse to use this pen, which I absolutely love. And just by writing the days of the week in there, it adds another element of color. And here we go. So let's put, which rainbow do I want? They're so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's so simple, but so pretty. And then I'll add a matching moth to that one, which I think is this one. Actually, I want something that contrasts with that, so it's not all the same color. And then put this one up here with a contrasting rainbow. Maybe this time this one with the florals in it. Oh, how cute is that? You know what? You don't need a ton of stickers to make this look super cute. And maybe just a little flower there, and then a little flower here, and then maybe I'll put something down in this corner. So let's choose this moth. Ooh, oh, with another rainbow, probably this one. And just creating a little cluster of stickers because they're just fun to use. And I mean, I only work Monday through Thursday. I don't work the Friday, so I can cover up Friday. And I'll add a few more of these here. The rest of these stickers I will be using in my Hobonichi cousin for the week. Let's use the blue one. I feel like it's a mix of spring with some winter colors in there as well. And maybe one more, just here. Oh, all right, I love that. I love that. Now, my meetings are kind of all over the place this week, so I'm not gonna write in my meetings yet, but this was a very, very quick plan with me. And normally when it comes to my Hobonichi weeks, I don't do a lot of planning out a specific layout. An what goes in here are my meetings and then my to-do list and then any notes. So really it's very simple. This is more just making an otherwise boring planner into something fun. All right, that is it for me. Very quick plan with me. Once again, these stickers are from Pine Berry Paper. Really cute. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks again for watching this very quick video, and have yourselves a great day.